All right, today is May 12th, Tuesday, and this is about 9:10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm just right outside of Bella, Bami, right? Yeah, they got parking stall, yeah, right over here, and their parking is number 5 and number 8, Bella Bami Cafe, right? Okay, so they got two stalls. Yeah, it's a takeout store. Yeah, just come stop by. And Holo Kahana Lane, right over here, right off of Liliha Street. All right, so yeah, right across over there, McDonald, Lilia Court, and so forth. Yep. Okay, I brought my auntie, but she don't want to be on the film. So Vietnamese pho, right over here, Bella Banh Mi. Yeah. Okay. And all right. Okay. Let's see. We take a look. Banh Mi. So yeah, right over here. Okay. Let's check out. Okay. Take a look. So banh mi, Saigon special, barbecue pork, barbecue chicken, vegetarian. So, what you gonna take? Huh? I don't know. Saigon special. It was good. I think it was pork. Yeah. So, okay. Hi. So right here, I placed what do you call Saigon special barbecue pork and barbecue chicken. Yeah. So right here, Bella Banh Mi. Right? Oh, I'm gonna go step out over here so I can get a better look, a little more distance. Yeah. Yeah, right here. Oh, right next door is a vape shop. Yeah, and then so Liliha Street. Oh, Young's Noodle Factory. And then right over here, Holo Kahana Lane, right on the corner, on the right hand side, that's parking. And their stall number is 5 and number 8. It's written right on the wall. Yeah. So can park temporarily for pickup. Alright. So okay. Yeah, so I'm thinking, yeah, what I'm gonna do is once my sandwiches come out, I'm gonna go to Ala Moana Beach Park and then enjoy it there. Yeah, don't know if my aunt is gonna come, but yeah, I'll continue once I get there. Alright, yeah, came over to Ala Moana Beach Park. Right, yeah, there's some sort of something going on with the whole bunch of group over there. Right? Yeah, I came to Magic Island section. Yeah. And then huh? Alright, we got the Bami over here. Yeah. Okay, we even got the fly fan. Yeah. Alright. So we're opening up Saigon special. Yeah. Okay. That's the Saigon special. Okay. Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah, right here. We'll try out the Saigon special, but let me put this over here for a little bit so I can set this up. Okay. Oh, it looks like no need flight fan. There's enough wind. Yeah. Okay. Then yep. Yeah, so right here, Saigon special. Oh yeah, we got the carrot, cucumber, and yeah, it's all good. Mm. And the bread is crispy. Yeah. So, what do you think? Yeah, I've been to Bami, but on Liliha, and then I found out my auntie. This is her first time eating banh mi sandwich. I go, wow, and she said it's good.
The bread is crispy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got the soft bread and crispy, and I like crispy. Always good. Yeah, so far, the Bella Bami on Little Street, this is the best place. Yeah, they taste the best so far. That's the wind. Yeah, see? I think, eating later, you're not gonna get soggy. And it's cold. But if you want, you can keep it in the refrigerator. I don't know, maybe the bread will get hotter in the refrigerator. So, come on, what do you think? Is it good?
Okay.
Hmm?
I can eat chicken.
That's chicken. Other one is pork.
Two chicken?
Hmm?
Two chicken이었어?
No?
Two special two chicken.
One barbecue pork, one barbecue chicken.
Oh, this is pork.
Yeah, that's pork.
Mm.
That's why I figure you can try all of them.
이따가.
Mm-hmm.
그럼 이거만 먹으면 돼. Which one you like?
Hmm?
Which one you like?
Either one.
Chicken or pork?
Up to you. Ah. Hmm? Okay. So this is chicken. Okay. So right over here. So barbecue chicken. Bami. Yeah. Everything else looks same except for the meat. Yeah. Mm. Mm. I think Saigon Special, that was pork. Yeah. Saigon Special tastes best. This one tastes good too. Oh, very milk on the grass.
음.
Yeah, so nice to come out here, enjoy meal. Oh, I'm thinking maybe one day get a barbecue grill, right? Cheap kind. And then go get some meat and a grill. Okay? No, I'm thinking invite all the homeless around. So your church ever think about doing that?
Used to be.
Hmm?
Used to, but not anymore.
Why?
Friend.
Huh?
Friend. 이름 안 들어가려고. friend, Hanoi beaches, he feed homeless people.
Yeah.
Police come. They take it. And you wanna pay $250 fine, or you wanna stay in jail one day. So
He didn't have permit. He's supposed to get permit.
So, I don't have a $250, so he stay overnight.
Yeah. They did that.
Not like
So you cannot just pass out food.
because sometimes they sick, they suicide,
Oh.
then they have to eat. But take any kind, but they're gonna say, oh, somebody give me food.
Oh, so that's what the church stopped. They stopped doing that.
I don't know why. I don't know, but
Yeah, just one of the
Corona time, stop everything.
Oh. Okay. Then I guess I cannot do it.
Mm.
Somebody might end up calling police. Oh, not so good.
Yeah. So you cannot do.
So you need a permit to do that. Pass out food.
Every time he give food, so the homeless people come around the area. So neighborhood
So
complain.
people around the area, they don't like it, so because homeless keep coming around, so they call police.
빵이 맛있네. 빵이 맛있다.
It tastes good. It goes very good with the ingredient. Perfect match. Especially since it's crispy. Yeah. And you can taste it's healthy. Yeah. Yeah, this is one of those sandwiches I think I can eat every day. Pero Bami, yeah, they put it eat every day. All the benefit.
하나가 먹어. 이거는 이따가 차이나도 돼.
You can have. Come home.
이따가 먹어.
Okay. Alright, that was a good meal. I said thank you for watching.